The Yacht Law Firm has built a strong reputation in our community for both family and immigration law. Immigration continues to be a hot-button issue, especially since the president issued an executive order that's changing the rules and allowing many young illegal immigrants to go to school and work lawfully in the United States. The Yacht Law Firm has an A rating from the Better Business Bureau. Joanna Gustafson is a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, as well as a member of the Colorado Bar Association Immigration Law Section. Immigration attorney Joanna Gustafson from the Yacht Law Firm is here to tell us what we need to know about this new policy. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So, why is immigration such an important topic right now?
Well, immigration policy has really been brought to the forefront recently when President Obama issued an executive order back in June. This new policy is called Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. Now, there have been varying degrees of reactions throughout the country to this new policy, and it's extremely important that people understand what the policy entails.
What does the policy entail, and why is it so important? I mean, is it a new benefit? Is it for families?
Yes, it's a new benefit essentially for young people who have come to the United States and gone to school here.
Okay.
The policy has the ability to halt deportation for young people who have lived in the United States for many years and really consider the United States to be their home. This policy has the ability to keep families together, and in turn, this policy can really help assist our communities for obvious reasons, such as bringing in additional tax revenue and also supporting our economic health.
So who would qualify then for the new benefit? Would it be the child that went to school, or would it be the parent of that child?
This benefit is essentially for childhood arrivals, just
Okay.
like it says. So people who have come to the United States under the age of 16, people who have lived in the United States for 5 years or more as of June 15th, 2012, and people who are under the age of 31 as of June 15th, 2012. Now, another qualification for the benefit is essentially that you have gone to school in the United States, you have received your high school diploma or GED, you are currently going to school in the United States, or that you are an honorably discharged veteran of the Coast Guard or Armed Forces.
Okay, so it's really the benefit then to the young adult or child that went to school. Will it help the parents at all?
Well, it helps keeps families together.
Okay, absolutely.
Especially for people who are in deportation proceedings
Sure.
right now. So this benefit essentially is not for the parents of the
Right.
children right now, but you never know what the benefit could lead to in the future.
All right, let's talk about any issues or problems then if someone does apply for this benefit.
Sure. Essentially right now, this benefit is not the DREAM Act. That's a big misconception that a lot of people have. The DREAM Act is not in place right now. This policy is not going to lead to a green card or U.S. citizenship for kids right now. There's a lot of hope that this policy is just the first step towards the passing of the DREAM Act. It's also important that kids know if you have past criminal or immigration issues, that you seek counsel before applying, because you want to make sure that you qualify before you go ahead and send in your application.
Okay. Along with this new benefit, which this, by the way, is going to help out so many people that are living here illegally when they probably could, become legal through the new benefit. What other types of immigration cases do you handle?
Our law firm also handles U visas for people who have been victims of crime in the United States. We also do Violence Against Women Act cases involving domestic abuse for both men and women. We do family-based petitions, adjustment of status, and consular processing, and we also do all phases of removal defense.
Okay, so you handle quite a bit.
Yes.
So right now, anyone that's watching that is finding themselves in this situation, they need to give you a call.
Yes.
This is a lot of information,
Yes.
and it's new information. So and I love how you presented it. It's very beneficial. So I'm going to tell people how they can get a hold of you, especially if they have any questions. So thanks so much for being here.
Sure, thank you.
For more information on the Deferred Action Policy, or to find out if you qualify, contact the Yacht Law Firm right now for a free consultation. You can call or text 720-326-6515 for English, or 720-234-1304 for Spanish. They can answer a wide range of immigration policy questions. Their number again is 720-326-6515 for English or 720-234-1304 for Spanish. The Vanderyacht Law Firm paid for this segment.